stronger than steel. Everything I went through is exactly what made me real. From the rough to the flawless, dark to the light. Diamond pressure, turn the wrong into right. It's the weight you carry when nobody believes. It's the heat you feel when you're fighting to breathe. It's the test of time, it's the fire and ice. It's the reason why I stand here living this life. Pressure, don't destroy it, refine. Show you who you are, show you what's yours and mine, yeah. Only pressure makes the diamond shine. Diamond pressure, weight on my shoulder. Fire in my veins, yeah, the heat make me bolder. Started from the bottom, rough and unpolished. Now I'm glowing bright, yeah, the struggle was my polish. Diamond pressure, heavy on my chest. Every test that I took put me up with the best. You can't break what's built to survive. Pressure make the diamond, yeah, that's how you stay alive. Yeah. They try to crush me, they try to hide me, but all they did was make me shine brighter. Diamond pressure, real, recognize, real, until the end. One love. Hey, turn the monitors up a little bit. Yeah, it feels good, right? It's a beautiful day to be low-key. Let's go. Boom. Yeah. Hey, turn the monitors up. Turn the monitors up a little bit. Yeah, it feels good, right? It's a beautiful day to be low-key. Let's go. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and rainy days. Now the sun is cutting through the purple haze. I used to look at the ceiling, wishing for a spark. Now I'm lighting up the neighborhood, glowing in the dark. Got the windows rolled down, feel the breeze on my skin. Every loss was a lesson, now I'm counting the win. But I don't need a trophy just to feel like the man. I'm just happy that I'm standing where I said